157,346 Ghana cedis. 1,000 Ghana cedis. 157,000 Ghana cedis. Over. And you see the year traveling expenses. Titi come now say. Over 1.5 million Ghana cedis. All cedis. You see the year traveling expenses. Traveling expenses in Akuma FM. Now, now, listen to this. National Cathedral Project. Secretariat for Kwatnasi. No more some more idea. They do it for the interest of the entire Ghanaians. And yes, they supply the whole Ghana. We are not supplying the entire population. But within a very small space. They are telling us to say, why you're printing a stationery which costs about 50,000 Ghana cedis, 500 million, all cities. Hey, Akuma FM. Yay. 50,000 over 50,000 Ghana cedis. Now, you be some brothers, stationery no, more cooperative for Israel, and buy ya, some printing Wagana Haya. And what is all the stationery all about? Church of Pentecost, Peini, I'm asking you this question. Power Chapel, General Overseer, you're Victor Kusibu, the prophet. I'm asking you this question because you are the General Secretary, Adamebwa, the Executive Secretary to the National Cathedral Project. As of for paying for what you're in shadow, I am asking you this question. The 50,000 Ghana cedis, what did you use it for?
I don't take so, I don't take madness. I don't take far.
The figures. What this has it wasn't enough. I want to say, hey, I dear Yabadi, Akatema, you got to see what for Mudia, Obwa. I hear that you the baby. Now look at this. It's a National Cathedral Project, a small project way near the just selected few people. And if it can cost you what to see, you did a bit crowd broye. I saw for no, a bit more broye die. Which I will give you the names of those people. I saw for Kimpiski, Economosa, and Broye, all the name of the National Cathedral. I'll give you the name today. Performance, National Theatre, and only they were able to spend just 8,500 Ghana cedis, 8,500 Ghana cedis, and all other expenses, including health and safety, which cost about 400 Ghana cedis, accepted. Health and safety, no. I said, yes, ambulance before them come from who? Said they say whoever, say whatever. It cost them 400 Ghana cedis. Now let's look at baby, not Chrononda Kasawa. Hey. Now your friend be sundry expenses. Obi ati brofo bi church bi what is sundry expenses? One ati brofo church bi mu sundry expenses I don't need the ade.
I don't take so, I don't take madness. I don't take far.
Cost Ghanaians taxpayers money. Ha? Eradi Yakopo. Fakofo ibadi chomu. Na sa krofo no mo hye cleric ogoso mo ya sofo. Sa krofo no mo ebi no mo se. They have the nyamengo sra wo mo so. Na omo de bo Ghana kro no omo de bu krofo fa so no. Twe de po Nyakopo so ate ase a. Punish these people. Put them to shame. Let Ghanaians know that they are not men of God. That alone cost Ghanaians 44,310 Ghana cedis. 44,000 Ghana cedis. Over 44,000 Ghana cedis.
Bibini and Nipo. Bibini. Oh, the Bibini grab it.
Omuya. No more question another echi. And now to go and tell the people of Ghana that the money is Sikana she. Sure, Omukwa Kimpiski, Equatra also Mukwa ye meeting now. Some men of God will know. And your Bamukwa for chairs, Sikano, about 790,000 Ghana cedis. And the Sikano Kwa. And what you Kwa? All in the name of national cathedral ye ko kipiski da kwakwa sa meeting we na some predecessor senya bodam sema senya bodam sema sika Ghana for donate ade bas ye fanya oman atwuma ade na nya oman ne dia na na grofo for da so oman ne ko ye se be genti ya dase
awu eyo minsu ana
ye se be genti ya dase na e ko wi akira most of for na mo bo Ghana kron because we nim say ye dan ya Ghana for will raise money for this stupid projects
wo jare me se wo jare ya
hwe I am saying this, I've said it and I'm saying this again. Nobody, including myself, nobody is against the building of the National Cathedral. Me, I am never against the National Cathedral. But the Kwamu Faso Yano, mo shagana for bufo.
awu eyo minsu ana
Mo kwatra ho mo di dia nom abronsa. Mo from mo asofo nom. Mo koboka 790,000 over 790,000 Ghana cedis. Na se mo promise here, would you be doing something? Mo be say dey way.
wo jare
You don't call yourself men of God. Men of God. Men of God.
wo jare
Eti enam se mukuta Bible. Na mu nim quotation ba ku nti. Mu wiara na mu de hwehwe hey. Touch not my anointed. Touch not my anointed. Cause my prophet no harm. Mo jare. Mo jare.
wo jare me se wo jare ya
So we should sit down for you to milk Ghana for the taxpayers. The poor taxpayers. Ghana for some producer. We cannot be enjoying because of money more than that. Russia-Ukraine war, the COVID-19 and whatever. I'm not Ghana for watching on me. Now what's about to order one who sells some producer? Ye dibia ye to what's about Ghana for true. Ah, na nyame twede apo Yakobo. Hey, so what you say? Masache din dadis was across forward muso. You so die de baye. Ene kwa mo fa so wi Ghana sika. Ene kwa mo fa so di Ghana sika. Ma tu min daddy. Natie. Senaka project the National Cathedral Senaka yede ko akoma pa. Ena ya na ke hadwi o. Now listen to this. Ghana by say sisi ade onisika wa border bridge sisi ade kwatrekwa after all the donations are so for the chief imam no money pay for Ghana had mo aye afi omasa kwakwa budget of 80 million Ghana cedis e da kwakwa share the Ministry of Tourism emu say ye fa kwakwa the National Cathedral
wo jare me se wo jare ya
etiapis na ni ambre a na kasade we na ke de hyem akwakwa yi de kode asa kwakwa di ah na da mo pa che say no so what are you people trying to tell the people, the good people of Ghana? Yeah, Jimmy ye nim yansa, we don't know what you're doing, we don't know what you use our money for.
bibini enipa o bibini awu da bibini grab e de wiase.
It is the same no ka say. Sure. Let me tell you one thing, meba. Na make us say bunchira mo. Ya papa be your friend no. Meba, I'm going to give you all the details. Na omo yusu some trick bi. Adakoda da bi su ba bi no mo yusu. E dey sabo Ghana kro no. Na be say ene munya botre. The reality is that upon all this nonsense, and this is that they are trying to find their way. Because when the Ghana for Sika Sa, the Ghana for Sika, the Ghana for Trumusa, or the name of the National Cathedral. They told us, sir, they were going to do a fundraising. It's about work of friend, a friend, Mr. Karisamo, or whoever, Karisamo, or US consultant, or whatever he is. This guy said, Papa will say, what may fundraising? He's a leader of the CEO of the Nehemiah Group. Or see what man may fundraising. No. What man may fundraising. Now, about coordination. Coordination or the Ghana for over 28.2 million Ghana cedis. You ask yourself, what type of coordination is that? It wasn't a fundraising. Now your coordination. Now the coordination and Ghana for spend your money 28 million Ghana cedis, 28.2 million Ghana cedis. Yeah, the man occur. Now listen to this. So architect or whoever he is. Your friends are Ajari or whoever. Your friends are Ajari or whoever. They didn't come in kai. Now, I don't know why. Minim yetia abai mu pay for possible sum nyame mu twa ntro say. Hey, I don't know why, but mu twa ntro me quite that too much. You people claim that you gave this man 130 million Ghana cedis. Not true, he's a woman 339 million Ghana cedis. What other way? And I'm just scanning from bottom. And I'm just scanning your Mabusha for Sika. Nanya obiasika na ya Ghana for Sika. Mo pekwan bi so afaso ayi sika no adi. Na ba bia mo yin adri mo de sky ye dey. Ba bia mo yin adri. Nye mo wi ani yin achi mo de sika bia mo aye dey.
Enu na ment ya say na me do I don't take short.
And at the end of the day, the ordinary taxpayer suffers. It is a and that's all koto ade o Melcom, o koto ade o Palace Mall, o koto nsuo, o koto aduane kwa o restaurant. Yes. David, that consultant almost say you know. Now they are claiming that they gave you 130 million Ghana cedis, but they paid him 333 million Ghana cedis. Ask, go do your research. Nipa almost no 113 million Ghana cedis. No, they actually paid him 339 million Ghana cedis. It's an so kwa koto mako, so koto zuo, so kwa koto bentoa, so kwa koto bibia. What they say, pretema we are share 2 ahodo eguso, e 2 ahodo eguso.
Etisikaso, omenyo hiamai, enam amamua enkoye.
Papa we da kasa asem no.
Etisikaso, omenyo hiamai. Etisikaso, omenyo hiamai, enam amamua enkoye tino. Akonde.
So they are looking for every means possible. Omo pekwe biaso e di Ghana for room. Or in the name of the National Cathedral. Now, seven predecessor, is it bringing a blessing or a curse to us? A crime of us with the Ghana for Sikano. A crime of us so at the agency can free the consolidated account. A crime of us with the associate budget. A crime of us with the Ayenema Bebreno. And this Shirana said no me and at the Bregana for. I dear what I saw so die. What I saw so die, now this idea. Hey, Eddie Akuma FM. What kind of man is this?
Oh, hey yo.
What kind of a president do you have?
Oh, hey yo.
A president who cannot protect the public purse? Is that the same president you're talking about? A president who cannot protect the public purse? A president who is making mockery of this economy? Oh, Jesus Christ.
I shall protect the public purse.
Jesus Christ.
I shall
a president
protect
who cannot protect our public purse.
the public purse.
Or no never you.
I
shall protect the public purse. I
shall protect the public purse.
Anna Clinton.
I shall protect the public purse.
And I'm saying, and you know, no, we are script not true. You didn't see script. No, script was as a book. Or for this script and no kaye. And I'm saying, you know, one kaye. He probably didn't understand the rationale behind protecting the public purse. Now, so Ghana for say National Cathedral, the timing is wrong. So you look for every means possible. Now they're going to tourism for budget. Say tourism for no money sasikano. Nefamra 80 million Ghana cedis. Hey, Uncle Abasama. Ghana Majo.
I ask you to be citizens.
I ask you to be citizens.
Citizens, not spectators.
Citizens, not spectators.
Citizens, not subjects.
Citizens, not subjects.
Ghana Majo.
Responsible citizens building
Ghana
communities
Majo.
of service and a nation of character.
Ghana Majo.
Responsible citizens
Ghana Majo.
building your communities and our nation.
Ghana Majo.
I ask you to be citizens.
I ask you to be citizens.
Ghana
Citizens,
Majo.
not spectators.
Citizens,
Ghana Majo.
not spectators.
Citizens, not subjects.
Ghana Majo.
Citizens, not subjects.
Ghana
Responsible
Majo.
citizens building communities of service and a nation of character.
Responsible citizens, building your communities
Ghana Majo.
and our nation.
Ghana Majo.
What do this man? What means no? You see, he cannot protect himself.
Ghana Majo.
Now, I'm telling me live on Facebook. More yes, way. Come and look at this. Live on Facebook.
Ghana Majo.
87.9. Ghana Majo Juma Desuni. Every Wednesday evening. Share Kumasi Yedin. Kumasi Yedin.
Ghana Majo.
Yedin because yes, and we are listening to the truth.
Ghana Majo.
Now, this is coming from a member of parliament. And of course, nobody and that has superior evidences and superior documents to say obe claim say asema okuje to black ekwen enye no kre.
Ghana Majo.
Now, so the private donations amoye dem at the National Cathedral. And the sika akọ we na no here open no match na say discount no. They spend the money.
Ghana Majo.
Now, my maker say mo. Now look at this. Sika almost started to move raising. 794,990 Ghana cedis. Now, and no US fundraiser only to spend 790,800
Ghana Majo.
Sikano, I can't just 4,144 Ghana cedis. And no nakao. Fiasika ye resident now 799,000. Ye dibu 790,000. I can't 4,000. And you have got two foundation. Near the two foundation where you num. And I said the two foundation where you talk. You are doing this for God, not for man. But if you are using the name of God, and the milk people are, Massa, Mami Katro, Sabi brothers and Yakopo Yechirabosom, Obebu Anima Guasi.
And no lament.
Yakopo Yechirabosom, Obebu Anima Guasi. If you're not careful, be mindful of whatever you're doing because the living God is watching you.
Bibini and Pao. Bibini. Ow. The Bibini Grabedo. Yes.
Or Hina Samuel, I keep saying it's the same way. Or Hina Samuel, or Quanifia, or when you near your Oba Crano, or phrase Ramani now, but you know how to mock Samba Copa. Mumu Mate, because maybe a bitch name, Chedia Ponyacopo, Edia Dance, Musubudia Dance, or how to say. Why na minya to me no? Can the president of Ghana come out to say this? The same thing? Or Hina Samuel Kaye? No.
Ghana Majo.
Or say, minya to me. I me be your hene. Why na mi not there? When I'm born a poor, Ejin Sika. Why na me born a poor, Ejin a Japade friend in them. And look, any custom, any just some about me say, is the money now can say, or here Samuel, or who near Simbia?
Ghana Majo.
Can we say the same thing to the presidency today? Can we say the same thing to the presidency today? Because Omuaka said him, the amount of sika, listen, the idea of National Cathedral, say whatever it is, it's a good policy, but hey, Akrofo nature was here.
Ghana Majo.
Akrofo thieves. But I'm so surprised because these are men of honor. These are respected men in our society. I just don't get it.
I don't take
These are men of honor. These are men of dignity. So why are these same people stealing from the national coffers, stealing from the account of the National Cathedral?
Bibini and Pao.
Hey, and I bet now as you speak, Sika Yajini, the National Cathedral. I mean, say
Ghana Majo.
But don't you give me a drone shot of the National Cathedral, the state of the National Cathedral now. Ghana Majo. Now you are me one cry. Me said that call her and I nearly cried. Me so yeah, I cried. I was like, so that be sika be brebe yi na echi. Sika be brebe yi na echi. Sika be brebe yi na echi.
Iti sika so, omenyo ohia mai, nenam amanu a enko yie nti no.
Me say me kwa cry. Anyway, give me a drone shot of the National Cathedral, the state of the National Cathedral now.
Akuma FM.
Ubesu, urebeho. Waka say, hey, na se bi bread ya sati bibini be ye de wo wiase.
Bibini ye nipa o. Bibini au. Da bibini grabe de wiase.
Eti me no ka say meeting ba ko pe o. E wo Kimpiski o. And no blow about 790,000 Ghana cedis and over. Now so here enu ne. She says as we speak, they say I have been there. She says yet. But you get people to come and justify this wrongdoing. You get people to justify this. At the end of the day, who loses? It is the taxpayer, the ordinary Ghanaian, the ordinary pauper, the ordinary person. A brand new friend of said what did or no near the via a cardinal never be good so say who because what the one what I walk with the Ghana Sika. But hey, the law of karma still exists. The law of karma it still exists.
Sika mpe dede.
Yeah, that's it. Now, and no free what more. Hey, sure, the presidency has been reduced and has been reduced to the lowest point. The presidency has been reduced to the level where we are making mockery of our presidency. Look at the office of the high office of the first gentleman of the land. Na yama sadie we yama kwa we ya obaga na hanu yet me fa ne toto patapa hu. Oh. Obaga na ha yet tipa ne patapa o. Muna mubu you. Oh yes, I'm telling you. Obaga na yet tipa ne patapa. Na yama sadie we ya baga na hanu mu se shenika na didi kwase asem. Ewrade Yakobon de kura ani. We allow this thing. Muna mubu UK, muna mubu US rappers.
Now,
so if this thing,
two bags of marijuana in my pocket.
So if your this thing, ever not be used to the office of the president and the presidency, and this answer way. I wonder what Jay-Z and the guy the friend say Beyonce and this aqua and the say no. Lewin. Omoba, Ombenji president Akunya no. No what's that so? Then they chair a cabinet meeting. I'm telling you. If that way, I may say, yes, say, when I move US rappers, yet to me for them to patapa. I have had you. Wait. Then he has the guts to come and sit before the president to say, sir, look, I had two marijuana in my pocket. Nonsense, useless bean. You know, small fan chami. I had radio so.
$10 in my pocket. I had 2 bags of marijuana in my pocket. I never really believed in selling crack. And my friends really started hanging out with each other, and I got to know him. I scaled him because I don't know any powerful, successful white men. I never had. I asked him one day because I knew he was extremely powerful from me viewing him, and I asked him. I said, "Could you come to court with me?" He came in the back and told me that he wouldn't leave me back there. He swore to get these type of people support. $10 in my pocket. I had 2 bags of marijuana in my pocket. I never really believed in selling crack, and my friends really started hanging out.
I had 2 packs of marijuana in my pocket. Mr. Mufanchemi. You see, when the presidency is being reduced and to the level where everybody can make mockery of the presidency, I don't know. Yes, my presidency no ever former office of the presidency. Yeah, my neighbor former money and kwaya chain a jojo. I don't know. Ghana Majo. Because my daughter insisted that I see you. Oh, Ghana Majo. Hey! Now nobody can quench the fire. Here, me say, the presidency is telling us to say, and you see, I don't have any problem with video no shoot here or whatever it is. But you're also getting people who are making useless defense, unwarranted defenses. Hey, never money who defend this idea way. You defend this on social media, you defend this on radio. When you meet us one on one, then you start making because speak truth to your president. My president, your president, our president is making mockery of the presidency. Take note of that. Many are brain not because of anything, because I'm a Ghanaian. I dare see you know. Moses Shatawale Akohonomu, the office of the vice president and the wife. Do you have the video? Beluchi, show video ni mami. Yes, Shatawale office of the vice president and the wife. What you check pictures? Why you say? Musa Shatawale. Edi sanse muhununa sakwa mikimio sa wan habedi no. Mose Black Stars for proud to cartels or whatever it is. So you are using that as a defense. You people have no sense. Munimiansa because Sadia way Amabonte and who office of the president who fee and who presidency who fee. So party communicators are making useless defense.
Ghana Majo.
Useless or not warranted defenses.
Ghana Majo.
Now, so this is Shatawale. Who have pictures way? Now, President said if Shatawale invited him or whatever it is, or call her who says have pictures way? Shatawale call you sue president edit your video or the skater now. Nonsense. President Shatawale Sako, office of the vice president and the wife, Samira Baumia Honomu. And Namudia Gordon as for none of these things came out. Black Stars supporters video for Echo. I sent it to you, Beluchi. Black Stars supporters video for Echo President Honomu. Echo catch trouble said they have an intention. So this is the Jama. Because of Moshi Jamanti, more use this as a justification. Yeah? You see? Ghana
Majo.
The presidency is being reduced to a level where nobody can justify it. Adai. And a moment at the night for sir. No, be a drone shot. Where that place is a security zone, a high profile security zone. I take it 24 hours, 48 hours, 72 hours. Nobody in his right sense ever become oneself. Why is Eugene? Eugene, why? Is he not the communication head of the presidency? I said to my come from home. The security campus of Watermoo, a Sunday no more come from home. Please come and beg the good people of Ghana. Mama catch Ghana for say Samuya Pamwacho and your from Swan yeah. Namunya say hununa some time mukeka social media mukeka radio so say where you be nonsense where you be how many of them did you see say about it
Ghana Majo
ne you no mutie bo west ni ye mutie no anyum no west ni ye mo amote brofo mutie sa anyum we now make your own justification. You see, this is somebody who is a drug addict. This is somebody who is an ex-convict. An ex-convict. Obi a yachida tumpe. No anya kukudroba betina opoma payini na nado da kwa a man we respect so much. O betina ni maka say over there I had 2 strings of marijuana in my pocket. Nonsense.
$10 in my pocket. I had 2 bags of marijuana in my pocket. I never really believed in selling crack. and my friends really started hanging out with each other, and I got to know him. I scaled him because I don't know any powerful, successful white men. I never had. I asked him one day because I knew he was extremely powerful from me viewing him, and I asked him. I said, "Could you come to court with me?" He came in the back and told me that he wouldn't leave me back there. He swore to get these type of people supporting me. When I
See, so it's because nobody, your friend say, girl, your friend say, insisted that the president sees that guy. So, yeah, me say video, mo share video na share, what your video na share, me penny decreti. What your video na share. Now, yeah, me share video ni bi na me ra ho me say, yeah, radinya kupon. Is it not the office of the the first gentleman of our land? Oh, we are getting now call down this car. Huh? They will throw you out like a dog. They will throw you out like a dog. But we allow useless people to enter the office of the first gentleman of our land. No matter what this same way. Then you get party people who says they don't see anything wrong with this. You don't see anything wrong with this. When the presidency is making mockery of Ghanaians, it's exposing Ghana to the international world. Now, kwei, sabwe way, ononem kura na dio mo satoto danado komu. Allah, Abba. Sakra we num. Eno mo dio mo satoto danado komu. Ye man payini. Ye na nado da na show boy, adu premai. Oh, and the security men were there happily singing and marrying because omuhu bronida, omuhu obia ye ex-convict abesra na nado da kwakufu adoda. They have never seen an ex-convict before. I don't know how much he paid. I don't know how much he paid. And I don't know how much he paid his way through the presidency. But it's fucking shit. What's it? No, it's a Bruno Mudino. It's a Bruno Mudino. The guy has apologized. We understand. We admit that. His apology, fine. Yeah, father, sir. But I go beyond what we are expecting. And yeah, it looks as if the guy has more videos. Must say, White House, a Coco movie. Hey, you people, you are comedy. You are a serious joke. Me person met so big as a munu way. Anywhere. Because what can I say? You will show me exactly where White House or Mudia movie.
Ghana Majo.
Then I will go and show you exactly that White House they are talking about.
Akuma FM.
Unimaya Munshadi. Take a closer look at what happened. And if that place can be compared to White House, you are comparing our Jubilee House to White House. Jesus Christ. You don't have respect for the office of the president. You don't have an atom of respect for the presidency. And if people are there making useless defense out of this nonsense. That boy who cannot be compared to Patapa when it comes to Ghana music. Debio say yenya atwema. Ghana for do say na ate nyom. Everyone man had man ka Ghana for do say na nim sa kwa we. Ne nyom no ba Ghana obetro ye no. That fact na wo mu no. Yen TV.
Middle my neck, these niggas don't mill my stomach, really touch my ribs. Play my pen, you play my.
You the aboni ante kasa da na so kasa hodo.
Ghana Majo.
Hey. These people can make mockery of a whole presidency. Jesus Christ. This is what I know that I will never accept this thing. Se sabi impredasa se ye krom ha no mu se mpo sabi o sabi impredasa adwubra pa informani mu a se sabi impredasa se ye krom ha no mu mpo ene ye president sabi o sabi ene ye fa ne nyahwa ye ntwen ma obi hunu wei esconvict wei emma president one mo e fa ye ni metwitwi form. How dare you?
Wo yare me se wo yare ya.
Na the so-called security couples who have everything in their own powers sit down unconcerned and they are still in authority. They are still in authority. They claim that they have the security intelligence. But look at what happened. I exposed Ghana to the international world. And if people think that it is tourism, yeah, the man paying the office, I tourism.
Akuma FM.
You don't know what you guys are doing. Moya ma besuma ka me brofo ayi me kwa kakra no me brofo kakra because mo ba ya maka bi. What's the meaning of this? Sadia we yakoka do wo he yetie do wo he. Now so let me go on Facebook. Ma me go Facebook na me can message this kakra. Now so Johnson, I say good evening. Johnson Mejoso. Sharif, also so uchia. Yes, Sharif Mejoso. Muamma Bright, I say fantastic. More fire, JB. Thank you very much. Kwayete Oliver, more fire. Idrusu. I say fantastic show by us that are watching from our team and you know more fire. Thank you very much for tuning in. Now William Yoga. I say I don't even understand why what he's saying. Now that me cry the day, brofo way. Hey, about where that's like a bit me akabi. Agrofua kwa way na anyway ni academy to me. It will make sense one day. Yes.
Akuma FM.
Well, I don't know what you're trying to justify though, but I don't see some in predecessor any sense in what happened. Before God and man, if you have anything to justify, let's waste our breath and use our precious breath. But if you are anymore, you know. Let's use our breath to defend better things, not useless things like this. Now, Omaya, Omaya, yeah, Jessa, ya pebra papa biabo. And I'm saying, we are your time, ya day na the course I'm crowd when Moko was yeti. Ya told your pain in dear, any ya jenny and yasama, some crowd. Ya told your pain in dear, ya jane. Any and yasaka commas, I'm crowd. And crowd when my seven brothers a man more bra, we crown a monum, and then just almost area, or what that sounds. Sure. I wish what was that video? No, time I know I said, he had 2 packets of marijuana in his pocket. Now, we share the one and that be dear to a sea shadow. Oh, share the one. The other say, Abazi. The Bazi or Yabazi. The Mazin walk off an Abba there. Hey, bay, Uncle. Now the Madin already did nature. Over said the Madin or nature. Hey, bay. This is unacceptable. Highly unacceptable. And we can accept this in our republic. Because Ghana, for we deserve better. Abba. You did to your way, you to your one Sama, Sadia Wenum, no more bad no more good gun and you must say, can no more come, baby. How? The security couples at the office of the president or the presidency should use their brains. Use your brains. Monjumi. Namu the same predecessor. Pardon na mo mo papa kwa. Ghana for that did to me their shine himself. Use your brains. The office of the presidency, security farm war. Use your brains. Cameraman, T.A. Rachel says, I just say yesterday, what? Go on the Facebook comment and listen to read the comment yourself. I don't mean mum pe as a mo hwehye. You see, it is not anyway. Now, yeah. Mameka sa same way. Me wia me de ahesanfo di friend say ginyasefo. Akwa bi I don't know. Almost no ye the special planning officer. Ewo Asokwa municipal. The special planning officer ewo Asokwa municipal. Please. Here record yourself Jiba. Any the municipal coordinating director. Call your special planning officer to order. Because we hear your mama to question what Jay one more. Such small portion. Ne asibodi baba ye kwan no. Open akwa TB because he was acting on the instructions of the genius queen mother. How? I don't know what sign you have a so. Baby, I didn't quite know. Yes, you have heard more quite. I will come to that. Now, you're a regional minister. You're a KMA boss. It's Excellency another Dakwa Kufuado. One credit the nation is a ministry bay and a KJT nation central market. Local government, right? You're a Damboche. Yes, I'm more contractor for the way. Obia what you be a miss contractor workers no way.
Akuma FM.
Now, me yes, 150 workers have been laid off. Ya pabo mo. And no be sasa di entia. Ya pabo because it's kind of more dia manasa. Ashe, sikana ashe. Me sasa bisa another question. China for mo ye djuma contractor. Mo kwa so mo kwa di Christmas. E wo bukrom. Mo twa plane tickets out to pay them mo twa in anka ho no. Sa ko for no mako bukrom adentia. Mo ni sika. Musika no we ashe mo dia manasa. Now, contractor for actual series of letters. And the latest letter, then they say, Yamagana buy up to February. That is next month. Say, what Jessica now? You better lay off 200 extra workers. You better pay more because Sikana day. I say, Yadi Manasa. It's ya yenya. Mutiani. It's ya yenya, and then they say, contractor for the say. Momo say, Momo abai mu for the say, mo chen IMF sika. Na mo de wie kejetia. Central Market phase 2. Central Market ya na mo se mo nya sika kwa ya wie no.
Akuma FM.
Somebody is can manasa. Abaya. Na num ya ne dasa no manam. No wi a ka te Ghana for say, I shall protect the public purse. We are not because I say where they are today. Contractor for me see on way. Workers no more more contractor. Where are they? Where are they? What are the contractor? Contractor workers staff no more way. Workers no more way. Such kind of forbidden butchery as a mafia. More contractor. Where are they? Omo kwa mo Christmas. Much play take it out to pay the more. Much in and franca. Much one way pay the more. Now, so one way they are not able to come because they are not able to finance their plane fare. They are traveling.
I shall protect the public purse.
And this is a letter from the Central Market. Phase 2. Including the Kotoka, that is the Kumasi International Airport. Go and check. Yes, here we are. Moko yes, contractor for that handy over the Amagana Bayan. And yes, September, I don't see. First of all, I say June. Later, I say September. This year, you did 2022, and we are 2023. Contractor for the say, Sikana Modebo, Asa, first got from that.
Oh, hey yo, Minsuana.
2023 is a year of speed. It's 1 year already, I've been stopped, baby. na ne odi brika paro omra ne enko. If you have any superior documents, superior evidences to what I'm saying, bring it on. Bring it on. Owo krata e sombo time kwasa sema me kenya fabra. Come and prove me wrong. Because JB hey, who this hunu o ka kwa asem me de anie. These are the facts and figures.
Bibini eni pao, bibini au, da bibini grabe de wiase.
Na ye dada hwan. Ye dada hwan. Muti ara ho se me hwe sa de we wo hu. Me kae na me su. Baloji fa me kwatafo government hospital. Tafo government hospital ye raman pani dada kofo started project with 2021. One must say 2023. You are wrong. 2021.
Akuma FM.
Hey, Jesus Christ. Hey.
Bibini eni pao.
Yeah, 2001.
Da bibini grabe de wiase.
Now, so 2001, 2003. You just you. It was abundant. Ena nyamia ya dum kakra sa na die ya ba bedru ba bia dru yo. But let you roll the video. Make us a beam. Just roll the video. More Facebook no. Come and mumra share the state of Tafo Government Hospital, where emergency room is able to accommodate 2 people. Any extra person be no better form. Tafo Government Hospital ni. Our President Kufuor in his own wisdom, would say Tafo Government Hospital is it the congestion our Confederation Teaching Hospital. Now this hospital has been left abandoned. And yet a and near my yatoto, Louvers, Taos, and then Nassif and Quebec Miano, contractor there friend of Kone Contractor Enterprise. Yes, Kone Contractor Enterprise say. Sikana modema sikane kra enrube bia maya kwa kodrube modeme kamutia.
Akuma FM.
My video ni kwa nimu. You just want to see the road. Where do they hear? Ekwofo na agba pepesu yo. Ekwofo ma, ekwofo yirenom, ekwofo kununom, ekwofo busuafo. Yesi akwa gya yarehwe. Ewa yaresabia. Now look at the state. Hwe and your 60 bed capacity. Ana meboa. 60 bed capacity Tafo Government Hospital. I mean, I say Bosumo the anniversary. And a debia yakwa. Kwajima manu dankra honomo on Yajumabia and a debia yana from a pain no shoulder. Look at this. Aha, post video the mammy. So, post the mammy. Now, more Facebook. What can you see? Taos, Louver Flames. Any one of you and near man a Cadibaya Tafo Government Hospital honomo. Near the sister on was Adia na a pro. Adia na pro. It is a baba ye juma or who be moi. We would have to throw these things away. Near compare the taxpayers' money. Near the baba ye Tafo Government Hospital way. And let me remind you. Some projects way and you'll be an ayo and your government of Ghana projects.
Akuma FM.
It's an amnesty budgetary allocation. Ni na wo abanin sem. It's a move here no more the home contabuo at the aba. Thousand a boy. I didn't know say. Mom share live on Facebook. Mom share live at Akuma 87.9. Mom share live at New TV Facebook page. Mwamu share live our JB Maju page. Adia na win the single way. Adia na win the single way. Apro. Better go. Just run a video for me. Now, so hey, I don't get it. Mentias yo. Mentias Now, so never ni na negu anu say 60 bed capacity hospital. Jesus Christ. Oh, that's in the Guayo. We don't have right thinking leaders who initiate the fact that people are really suffering. The social intervention programs and of course policies. Say you best see school are dying, you best see hospitals. You better go for what Harry or more. Near ya say gun sika near the yard the fufro near the ya dio ya num ya do ya num. It will be quite MP 4 years when you said tam. Obi kwa MP just 4 years. Obi nyano who said tam.
I will serve the public interest with courage. I will speak
at the expense of the ordinary Ghanaian. Mojo, the way building this city. Naka a story building po naka ye pesika ye fanya one floor po. One floor po. Nanu mi suye. I cried bitterly. I cried like a baby. You know why? Yeah, the mami bi koko a friend said Tafo Government Hospital. Emergency. Or to future move at a yamano a draw. Or to future the man who ye.
Bibini and Nipo.
And then the full slow. Or to future boy because emergency what to be found conform you no pet. Mamino and emergency. And now Bulas didn't call on me say yes, say or to future one of Mamino could go to or top of woo.
And no lament.
Mamini woo ya just like that. Because who cares? And you'll be a phobia.
Ayarisemu yɛnhwɛ kɔmfo anɔkye deɛ ɛsii wɔ maternity yi saa daa no yɛayɛ ndɛ yɛbu agu sika nso ne yɛde hyɛ aseɛ saa kwantua no a na yɛpɛ sɛ tafo deɛ nso yɛyɛ no maternity no nsuo bɛbono a na yɛayi mmɔmu a yɛbɛba ho yɛ sɛ ɔmom yɛmu daa no mu na ahoɔden nim na sika sɛyɛ nea yɛhwehwɛ no na wɔde yɛku yɛnim a na yɛde yɛ saa yɛkyi a na yɛde yɛgyina faako ɛno na ɛsɛ yɛbisia ho yɛbɛto abadeɛ a yɛka saa nko yɛto abɛwie no nko deɛ ɛkɔ no na yɛhunu bi afei deɛ adɔ yɛn sɛ nneɛma no sika no yɛnyɛ deɛ ama yɛn nkɔhyɛ aseɛ koraa yɛahyɛ adeɛ no ase ne ayɛ a nea sɛdeɛ wo nananom bɛgyaa wo ɛno na ɛsɛ wotoa so na ɛnyɛ sɛdeɛ wo nananom de agya wo ayi wobaa bɛdi ne nyafunyafu na wakɔ
wei yɛ tafo hene yɛfrɛ no Nana Agin Frimpong Abebio.
Ghana Majo.
Wase ye betu abadia ye kasa anko ye de tumi ni mamu wia mo kasa anko.
Ghana Majo.
Me say Tafo Government Hospital, emergency hospital, emergency room wa fa nkofo mienu abroso ya miensa. Ndi so this share bi enya emergency na mote around Tafo enclave no mo. Remember say Sam oko na so bi wo hɔ no betra hwije ni mu anyame amwa ampata obewu. Sam mo se meboa. I can open the phone lines for about 5 people. Omo makwa Tafo Government Hospital a omo nkofo yina kwa hwere mo nkwa. You will see, you will cry. Obesu. Na yema ne ya nikasa ne se aban ni bia aban abamu fo bia busafo bia enko wu ho no munti amafo no say oh say be brother say ye ko ho no kokko wu de enkwasafo
Ghana Majo
ye ko ho no kokko ekwaje ya rohwede ye enkwasafo edim yansa
Ghana Majo
ye ko Tafo Government Hospital ekwaje ya rohwe abamu payifo person mo kire yen say Chapter 6 of the Constitution, Directive Principles of State Policy. Chile abamu say, se President Kufuor bebe project way. When we another free so, it's atamel se buy no. Na ke so usua nyansa na kotoa so. Ono so entimi afofofia ntoata na nyamkopo eto safra no. John Dramani Mahama in his own wisdom. Eso so ahu nyansa aso so oba ye sa hospital way. And the Ghana for Pamono. Now then comes Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, his own government, and the starting our project way. This same project is market time under his watch. This same project is market time under his watch. And he is there. And we are Ghana Sika the Kwakwasi National Cathedral. When people are dying, when innocent people are dying, you have this Ghana Sika Kwakwasi National Cathedral. It is also National Cathedral anyway. Na Ghana fo be kwakoye asori wo ho no ewu a wan na be ko oni obusuafo
Akuma FM
enu na ment ya se na meju ho
is amo pedestal be it is a wosi National Cathedral ni wie na kwofo obuwo omo kwakwaje yarohwe yi na Tafo Government Hospital wo no mo. Now I can tell you for a fact sure Sika they needed to complete a hospital way. ɛyɛ 1.7 million Ghana cedis pɛ. As at that time, they needed just 1.7 million Ghana cedis pɛ to complete the awomuni na. Nanaka, they will leave almost be over the structure. Now, if you want to turn them at their group, 1.7 million Ghana cedis as we speak here, all Tafu municipal. Added the budgetary allocation at the choir. Go and ask Kwajima Menu, our health minister. So, what did he do with that money?
Ghana Majo.
What did he do? He has never written any report or true report to BFA Tafu Government Hospital.
Ghana Majo.
It is said, Adana Dana Bosumsi. Adana Bosumi, the anniversary. We have a regional minister. We have an MP. We have mayors upon mayors. And of course, we have ministers. Oh, we interface our region way mu. Cabinet ministers for that matter. And you can use your influence. See if a mayor expand our healthcare, our region way mu. And if people are there because munya sikani bidi. And I'm with the area. Mokwa South Africa, Mokwa UK, Mokwa Abrocheti, Moka say no. The day power will leave house of you. The day sa power be free munsa. Anyway, some of you are cregu ho. But Ebesa.
Ghana Majo.
Ebesa, legend bra, come please come. Because time ne yako.
Akuma FM.
The day power to me be free munsa. Members of parliament, ministers, we are responsible so your healthcare be here mo. Tafu Government Hospital. Samu yina munim. Senan kata adia Tafu Government Hospital bet me ayama Ghana foa. Hwe. Ba me kasa ara hu se me nkyere mo. Mo amu wan kra de bia na munim. Ba mo amu okubas ba me kasa ara hu se mu nkyere mo. A free swami runabout. A free swami runabout. Edekwa kwakwasi temali or what? There is no single government hospital on that stretch. From some roundabout, ekwasi wa. There is no single government hospital on that stretch. It is obi ko. That's a same tuna. Well, who fucking a woo? Who fucking a woo? Now let me rush for a quick commercial break. Mr. Munyami Duma 28th of this month. Hey! Yebe Tumrika, Yebe Nante, Yebe Benefat, Yebe Say the money now away Yemni na. In Yanufunu, a Coco Funu, in Yane Degu Yemni Nasufodina, Mumbradian Benefat Nina, a Yakoma health work, fantastic health work. Fantastic health work. Mobabana Alabama Wafasano. I have read if I see Kumno. No, I said him man Pabu, you know, Otoyano. Slick and Otoyano, or 15 Ghana cities. As soon as now lace, and my lace and be. And a pen driver surgery. Or quite now was also so the baggage them. Now, on the 28th of this month, fantastic health work. Fantastic health work. For who Jim, a Yakuma health work. All various recognized groups in our mobile yebejemo. Mumbra near Nantimum. Mumbra near Nantimum. Nabi Biaso to me koye. Now, Unyanjo from a Brabajo form near Nante. Now, the living legend. Mini official.
Hey, Jebi Majo.
Official.
I feel come to your wadimu.
Fantastic. Bibia okay there.
Bibia the din.
And the temperature did that.
Oh, at the form and the other form.
At the form.
At the form pa. At the form.
Temperature did that form.
At the form.
Temperature did that form.
Jebi Bibia the form now. Obi pese bi a health work no pe enchiremu bi a number bi wo.
Ya be si chama koloma si su chetia. Ape broadband and so represent Kayonso Chimadi na be sonsie. E wa kuma FM. Ya nimu ya. Ni awie wo kuma se papa ya report. This event is brought to you by your favorite station. Akoma 87.9 FM. In partnership with TV3, Onia TV, 3news.com, OniaOnline.com. Akuma from Ashanti Outlaw. Asante Memenda 28 January 2023. And upon my purpose Mediasa. I am the only institution. Samuel School and sorry Pants. Different clubs and yet Chumukwa Kanyina. Homakayo after football stars are also supporters. Mumbrani and Nancy. After special. Kaisa Chumadi. I am live. I want TV3. Anyone near TV. And institution can from Papia.
So, Mammy, come for a quick commercial break. We come back. Now, the living legend Baba to us with their mommy. Then we open the phone lines. Your voice note number no 0505 437799 0505 437799. Send a voice note to Fabrami. Na mintie wasem no efa maw. Ghana Majuju Media Suni. Haya Kuma 87.9. The only trusted political show in the region. Everywhere is a Kumasi Yedin. Kumasi Yedin. Because you take Ghana Maju.
Akuma from Ashanti.
Bibi wa wiase nti ene yeda ye topono mu wakonfo ye bi na to nsafre wei wase so obeso to kwan wapem so bia na so anya yie adwuma sam na ho aye de ama wo wo ye adwuma na so hu ano wo ba warefo obi ababo so oje okuna firi wensam esuo kwabra so de waso no de ni wo ni asisie ento hwa mu obi nsisi no yonko da wo ba ba ma ebu kwase a ba ma wati sika hwe oba ye ma afa ko wiase a wa yu ba ko ama wo awosam na aye watete so obi na ba odua wo achi eye ni tandua bra na konfo ye bi se so opeso na ne nguni pakro no so ma wo sense when you flew kura so a wabayan sadia man san your pet convoy ye be near Sokobra Sudi who how kwan or young wajuma will be the cat why not just send you bet you no tiachna a Sokobra Sudi was one of the nipa wo and into a tisia when we any penny convoy ye be was Santiago baby or free baby and would you do Kumasia Bisaka Equa Fidasi would do Fidasi also Agona Caso Besuo ye be junction Wolfring can never so never Fidasaka would do Fidasi also Agona the telephone number is 0243-134-535. WhatsApp number is 0557-667-510. And see you Kwabra CJ Metrisua, my sorry.
Now, so we are back, and the living legend is right here with me. Akuma 87.9 million the JB. Legend Maju BM.
JB me Josu BM.
Temperature na here.
Edadin. Edadin na. Unim, JB mami bia kan samfun bi wa ha. Mami bia kan wa kan samfun na me ya. Se mami no oye kramoni. So frenya me pa dia. Ebra so se ni kunu be quality to order. Akona muslim fan se make wine. Me de enye ne kran ka me tini din o.
Oba Ghana ha no musa ene tipene pata.
Nana Akufo-Addo ama sa presidency ne sa president akonya no eso tena na ayefododo agro Ghana mampani no sododo adai na nya nwanwa ne baba no amanfo se bi ohurudwam akwa ne hurudwam make me azwan esi ohurudwam eti that time na wo blame security na omo wo presidency in the office one no na me no nya adwen sa because say indeed say no kwesa se bi one no e wo twaka bi a Naman penny ba Edward Biba, we are one security backers, me money room. We are one. Etidiasi biara jabi, me blamo bia or ye juma or say ye defense ministry, say ye interior ministry, say there ben. No, I'll put the blame ni none about the Makana Mampany, Nana Akufo-Addo because one man a banner questions and follow in the office war. Tiasima Fatimaka, at the fool and now defending. At the fool and now defending. Yentie.
There was ceremonial event. Obi oye judge ebe so any in ordinary. What me jina o twa picture. Obi cry rules capture videos. Countless. We can produce millions of such. But I'm saying say in this instance no. Nipa no footage no. Wa koke ka bo ho de niam bi akeka ho. Ama na dani music video nti na ede sa abufo naba. It's not necessarily the footage. As for footage bebre kwa school ni bi cry to me for say oh me person me buy excursion or Jubilee House no abegina compound ho no twa picture. Obi see adiji phone say no correct, but they don't know how that system works. This was not taken in the president's office. In fact, not President Krano. Now they were not anywhere near his floors. Your directorate or your boys Libya, they are in charge of that or because nom dia besio e governor enye no. You were one of such Edia ana adaka na say lecturer. Ahoho bi ombeba Kofi Kingston Ghana for aso for him for drivers at GPRT for obia obesra man panyi bia no. Mugina e cheti mikasa.
People like this, and yes, so a deputy information minister said, "And wait, me no me no botom sika, and the dutra mami weka, mami penimu, yes, said your say kemoni, yen senka kemosum dear, no credit dear, debi asimuna moka, and so mami way a drew baby and I come here say, giving a danny timono, a honum de drew baby, I don't think far. Wait. Some fool when what babajina a radio so no I can anyway mpamcho a baluchi me free so fa akwane bejina onomno baby a wo kwagina na wonne ne call for a motherfucker faka ni nyina no e de chance we no na ye ne replica jabi ne replica ne si wono wei ne replica ne enkofu ani ya hwe a so mo ba ye no na mo ye sebi o mo ba be koso komo chi okrom ase ya ese jabi mo tumi esen ka gana mampani MPG no. It's about the time, yes, I can't question for Ghana man penny. Me walk to me as and come, make me some call for me kutu pami impeach because what the Ghana kunya no dear cro. Didi amafonya wo mu eto abanman and yanu na guso ye de man. Jabi because of time. Wait, tafu issue na isi no. 2003 no mo cutting short. Almost started project in when is one no since 2008. No my body is a project in this way sabri. What kind a 60 capacity maternity block 60 capacity na 60 bed na kebet ma for Jabi. Wouldn't say anya sa best 60 ni penkwa na kebet ma fa. Baby ankwada beda nkwada award nyeshim. Tafu de na kanini. Nkwada award eshim. Sanso na ultramodern conference center eshemu bi. Woman si state of art pharmaceutical center eshim na OPD ni nyina shade na esi onam na esi nim. Wei enie. Kotafo na kohwe. Sisi obedru tafo no. Baby aye gi awo no efa nipa nwotwe pa 8. Efa nipa nwotwe 8. Etise bia enipa nwotwe bedi nkan kotafo. Baby aye gi awo no. Du otonso 9 ba. Ni ehwe wo di nkan ba na bia ba no. Ne ho kakakra bia gisi ayu tira kwanyam. Na nipa no waba fofo no. Ye gina ba betena kwanyam si anyina wo. What kind of country is this?
Meti hono mo me say. Me mani gani. Mami bi eye emergency. And as emergency do fa kofo bi enu penti. Mami ni emergency e di ba ye not future bu. Ye ba team keja mami na wu.
So why? Jabi many penny be adi nkomo. Now I say a politician. San konfunu na say o man no papa anya bibia keme bodin. Me gin phobia finu no manwumre ye wase be say 2 years ago. Openi akoto free akoto say the former tafu MP no. Yeah. Wasi papa no ne ono no te wo. Papa na mne ka say no we planning committee member e wotafo hospital wo ka ho bi including the incumbent MP asefua waso mnyina te wo ena koto eba e no say o matime secure long ye on betimi dia complete tafo sa government hospital no omu si ba ko bi so pankro no ne salon ni nyina ne hyem me bi sa pani so pani sika no e do so say no kwa de me nka twro because I'm a politician nonsense. Adentina one man info we naka amount no be sin na be say 2 years ago tasefo asem penina body if it is true say no kwese bia ye mamu loan masiki loan say mo fon toso na mo fon complete this abandoned hospital e di entina mo timi wiye e ma nipa ewo e wotafo ye original minister wo go mu say mama kwan e ma health minister what dey won for santifo or centerage some papa na fon se kokwadjima menu no were one of the useless ministers of Mabagana say one of the useless ministers one of the useless health ministers I have some papa no kan bi na Jabi yenti ko ma say na oba de bia no eye no mo tabo hospital o ma bande no ma ba kwai na manfu ya no bini mu ana Yankopon ya dom na esi o mo de ye adwuma obekọ akopie mo fomena obetime apie mo sewua na opie mo ba bia fan sekumawu ni nyina no o mo mental da sa regional minister ne nkofo bi regional minister timi to regional wo ko ba bia project sa wo do ma bande nyina no mental sa regional minister kwata foda ado mo de mo ka Ghana wana omunka Ghana ho jebi ye betena se ya na dane te se konfa no achede no ne akwakobu agu ne asada ma contractor foforo no manya sika gumbutum nyankopo betuatua saafo ni nyina ka baako kopem se mo besesa because nipa bi won ma se wo wu a ye simple ye betima prevent won a wo wu no but because of obi tese no ma bi a wanye ne yenti no woni betina nipa na wuwo bi enu se nkwa no wo wu why tafo heya tafo we nipa dudu o mo ko tafo Government Hospital.
Now, Jamia Duma next week. I'm going to show you, sir. Ghana is the center of the world. Someone say,
sure.
Ghana is the center.
We are seeing
Ghana is the center of the earth. That is Tema.
Yeah.
And now Kitampo, and the center of Ghana.
So I'm saying Greenwich Meridian.
Yes. That is why you now 1.0.
Oh.
But me no can say, baby, the Greenwich Meridian no, and I say Greenwich line no F no. Yeah, they had an ebusum fee. Baby, I come in Krobani years about 51 years ago. So this see Meridian Hotel. As we speak, I heard more than ebusum fee. I'm alcohol my future cook. And they did giant. And then the abusum for the yenny bin yadi akogu honomu. Na Kitampo is the center of Ghana. Some of you are aware. Nyami Aduma next week. Now, Nyami Aduma next week. You better come up with your was very, very explosive. Very, very explosive.
The about feed and what dinner.
Me say a freeway is a year of speed. Join the train if you want to.
A Central Market phase 2 now. What kind of jam? Yanam Bisam say, I've been a woman. Say it is true. Say no question. It is a brony now. No contract. No kwa di bronyano. JB entimino mienu. Yebutum sikanwa. Dabi entiene ye twa plane ticket. Ema no sign. Wokwa no sign di biabana. Meme tie se no question adia. Sikeni ho.
Na ashe skana de mo.
Sikeni wo model to aso. Entiem mi so men ka se wo mo ekọ na ye ntwa plane ticket mo amu from ko mu mai. Sikeni ho.
Ye twa IMF sika
na bra entinyum no meka kire se omanya sika eda ho dada enti no anse contractor ne bawie no ye nkonko fa sika mfiri ba bia maka mpa twanye sa no meka kire.
Now let me draw your attention to something. Me person ya Akuma FM. Now we attack ministries, agencies, ministries, agencies, departments. Yeah, attacking personalities. Okay?
Yes.
Good. It's a say.
No.
Whatever you said, say the friend said, Papa, the friend said. Uboni Dika say he's one of the useless ministers.
Oh, true.
Mr. Tresai.
Sir.
We are not attacking personalities. We are attacking institutions, ministries, departments, and agencies. You can attack the ministries, and the ministry there, one of the useless ministries. Fine.
No,
about the side that you are attacking the personality.
Ministry no na
yes or no
but onu su na bet me achenti jabi
ohun ye yes
tafo de enye na asemo
yes so attack the ministry
NDC betwa mfe nwotwe wo musu ja to mu tinsu no mapamba so sa no mko
na America no so attack the ministry. You can say the entire ministry nyansa ni omutrim nobody cares. But man can say he's one of the useless.
Any ministry ni nya papa.
Eti Tresai
Martin. And may you ho afiri wo. May you no afiri wo.
Can it be?
May you afiri wo.
Oh,
may you afiri so say me nyimfirim. Eti may you afirim. May kwakwa adwuma me no afirim. Eti my point is that some ministry no me de me hu fa so bi e wo ministry no so.
So kwakwa adwuma me no is not a useless what do you call it, whoever he is. Fine.
Martin.
Admit it.
May you afiri wo.
That's it. Thank you very much. Here for voice note kakra. What you say? Now, so the voice notes number no is 0505 437799. 0505 437799. We are maybe phone lines in the tomb. At the Ghana Majuma so the from Namia Aduma next week we are going with a very tough speed. Yet voice notes kakra.
Akuma FM.
Good evening, JB. Ghana had the so person who the Ghana for adwene pa. Hwɛ Ghana for mpanimfoɔ sɛ de Ghana for adwene tie ne saa ne mpanimfoɔ no ɛtie na deɛ betumi aboɔ yɛn yɛ solution and he said you see again no ebi betimi esi that is the only solution obeka sama okon ho yintini ete se den benya a enya de wo betisa mo me mompaye na gini de ni bi mbra eno ane ye solution.
Yeah, good evening. I'm Choya from Eric.
Akuma FM.
Program media Philippa na mpese me ho time and ebra mo the program.
Hello JB Majoe. JB nyamenka ho ne oduma pa wodi. Na wosema wo hyase a wo kan nyina. Kakra me kanfa ho ne asofofo ne de na wo kan. JB misro bebre ma we enyo nwanwa. Ntre se Ghana ya asofofo no. Sebe enyanya me bi no mosumu. Ghana ya asofofo no.
Akuma FM.
O ma fa asofoduma ne se eye edwuma o ma sua a o mo edidi ho. Nanka se ye ka nyame ye hwe nyame so aka nyame asempa nka sofo mu a obi abebo man kro no kana ka sofo e ka asofo a o mo adi national cathedral sika nso enye sebi wa man churches enye sofo o mo mantwa asofofo asofo akese nyinte ne asofo abrempon o mo wo man we mu a sore nkese wo man we mu asofofo no mo di sa jampra asem we no ntiwe ma hu se
Akuma FM
enye nyamesom bi ena omosom ntina bible say nyakopon say temuda no de be share say afi no ne fie na nyakopon na nim say asofofo a ombeba no sebe omanya papa tino ka so be share say free asori fie na sebe asofo mpo na ebokro no si na amanyofo no mo so o mo nko asori no so e o mo be yede JB, yame enka. Bye bye.
Good evening, JB. Michelle, no, we do a phone in I know by now. Umoja na shodo. By the Yamia senior me you Mumbai. A friend Mohammed Kabiru Sano Kasafri Saba. JB, Nanaru, no man said Ghana. Ya how no babe or ya how nothing or by you. On oba no ono personal duty enti nyame nanado emon pa na nyame ntimi nkura se ya na nyame mtie na chiko no free kunya so enye sa Ghana ono oba ono depend na oba enye Ghana si na oba.
All right. So in the next 7 minutes, 0322498035, 0322498036, 0322498037, 0243114497. Now, me have the number better to we are friendly. No person can be a catch me. Why? 0322498035, 0322498036, 0243114497. Hello, Major. Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, sir, Pachawani. Okay, so Abubakar to be Abubakari at number no. So also to be a friend 03224. Please check the other numbers for me. Now, share who is calling. Hello,
yeah, hello, good evening.
Yes, sir, Pachawani.
When you talent, when you would be in the JD, you go to the second pump or what means.
Mammy Jimmy,
Namentia Mafusti, Namentia Romeo, Namentia Nana Aqua, Apai, Nana, Namentia Biara or Akuma. Chair, my second somehow, and then Amomua, and I want to share all the bone topics, no topics, no. You will, I saw some for maybe almost completely what the Ghana, someone else and Kuyido, or Mumpuna was a comedy and Nimi, no more yet. In some normal can't some maybe a better Ghana for us. Now, two court crop now could discuss it through dear maybe or Moko or Moko spending and take common friend to me and your hospital.
Oban when you would say now I can say hello, Majo.
Hello,
yay. Radio sets look off for boy.
Baby.
Akuma FM.
Yes, sir.
Madre.
Major Suminia.
The friend of Kwame MPP, because it's a super.
Kwame MPP, my minty, be able to there.
Oh, Nanya, when you're a man to come.
That's how did the Jamie now, only enemy that's who did the Jamie. I said, wow, I said,
oh, yeah, I mean, you are powerful.
The man in the show.
Oh, for any German, I mean, open up policy natural, you're quite Java Castro.
Sir,
oh, yes. Again, sometimes no one says, only no be a hair, not a oh, daddy, you are meeting when my sister. So, it was awesome, baby. Oh, there's more Kenyan. I have power. What can some come say? Hospital, I'll say, this all comes something with you, and that's one young come. You
see, we are driven by emotions, sentiment, because say, Kwame MPP, you can't create. So, mammy be an as a woman be a good donny pa. No one quarter Fuji, not say Kunyum, or to future Wakunyo, and I said your plastic chain. No, Quack Jaya share. And what now because of say any facility to a war, Kwame then Abbey.
Baby, but oh, I saw okay, what's what Cham say? You are saying, a gun and Kwan had the editor. We are in our country, you see anyone, Kwame, you see anyone. But the point no, we are no question. It's better to say, okay, we are granted. It is something to say. So when you are to man, don't think about a man.
Me indeed, you be at Kwame.
If president was say, or Nagini and Kragini.
Please, Kwame, with the greatest of respect, Kwame. Yeah, let me say, Mono, what we know that you can. You can be someone now. You can be with the greatest of respect. Mean Jina Hanu say any president attempt da.
Baby, let you catch Papa.
With the greatest of respect,
so or Jimmy Kragini.
No, me say, Kwame, see me say, me na me Jina Hanu Makasasa, and I remember every single word I make. Me say me. The president attempt that. I'd rather attack the presidency, not the president. They do that two different things.
But the point is that you must have say, number 2 points, you'll make it. I can't be out with that. The same block, you know. But somebody just tell me again, I said, I tell you, I don't know. You mean, the clock on the canning some batata. Look at the way he's talking. Say, I Fatimati, the title Kamuni. Can you imagine this? Can you imagine this? Who way out to the Fatimati at them? I said, I'm okay at somebody. What change one of a many kind? But if you are that thing, now it's not deep in the bottom. I don't want to be a but you see, I can say, baby, and the hospital, then. That is a very deal about my year. What is the area that? Not in America. At the end of the time, I said, you didn't put me coming into a private idea of you near them. You say, when they come at them, but you get them. What do I say? You say, I don't quite have any problem. You tell me, and yet, we are come tell you get them, and the way I think, they're useless. Maybe. Maybe any mobile. You say, you go get and say, but they say, come on, come on. If you have to get to crack, you have a selection. But we know that is the big deep in Fatem. David. So you know what you're telling me. Okay.
Hello, my joy.
David, time and you're on Quadio.
What's that?
Time and you're on Quadio. So, Captain, the answer Kaidi.
Matode Kaudi.
David, at a hospital on a medical farm. Now, Obeka is last year and a bees who did a 40th birthday.
Yes, 40th birthday, yes. Momo bɛyɛ donation bɛ kɔhɛ deɛ hɔ ayɛ atafo hene koraa so wɔ bɛfrɛ na nadi sɛ wamana asɛ na asase kwa 40th birthday wɔ friend friend nso wɔnkɔbɔ edwa sɛ ɛsi baby unity yi bi abɔ mo sakadam wɔayɛ hwee ɛna na nadi nso asesa deɛ mɔkɔtra nkan a sitafo hospital deɛ wɔka wodi ka na next time wei deɛ ɔkasa nsisi yɛ amaba yi ayi ne ti mu ntɛm na wahye ne nti sɛ ɔtɔ ɛna agye sɛ ɔtɔ na ne Hello, my joy.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, sir.
Like a Marcus, Akumatan Club chairman.
Fantastic. Mamintio.
Thank you.
About what can be there?
Nami aduma Friday come about the pick phone.
Allah, Mumra.
End of Friday na ba no.
Mamintio.
But they can say one people. Omo
Akuma FM.
And Omo affect region or commercial for that matter enkoye no. We are play in people to back commercial. Omo party no aso mi tina and then it been in the boss. I said you bring my money. We no more discuss here and time no matter. Listen to why airport international airport. Some woman tell me a international fighter or play the basic commercial. And someone now, I love TAC, TAC. They can communicate now on the Emma. And you know, the thing and commercial a be interest. I must say, I don't know if you are zero. I come in a NPP, or just only one. The movie says anyone. I don't know the idea. That's a gun, we are young, you have a partner. Some of you, yeah, the sentence, where they do. Where can we act? And I say, some said, we legend a castle. What you're talking about? No, as more can, or target personality on China to the inside. On China, comment or make it or different on China. We are legend a on. We are on China. I would say that the presidency is 419.
So fortunate. I think that I need to pick about 2 more calls and wrap up on this show. They say, Wednesday, Ubetie. I mean, Ubetie, because I Ghana Majo. You more Ghana for you, Najo. Hello, Majo. Hello.
Hello, baby.
Yes, sir.
I'm Kaffe.
What's your frozen? Majo, what's your frozen?
Akuma FM.
Hello. Meteo, how's your frozen? Yes, I didn't mean to.
Yes, by an obia when it's what but said you mean answer. I mean, your team or my gun. You be the one who more dinner, no video. Sandy, a couple of mine will say, if you are for no for to go at your modia. Yana, Mama, you do I at the mouth or more. There will be a shade, the good tire, and the new and if you use any man and I can send me the mark and send it to not the way you walk now. The day over. Because home school no now by do also. And this is how I know some can say I buy 9 years, don't do a time almost all. Time no more school you could do her. I almost obey. If you feel you will be able to idea when and it's what you come at it.
Matse, hello, my joy.
Can I go?
Hey, 1937.
You
be able to there.
Oh, it's here, but that's to you.
That's it.
I'm what you say, I want to idea.
Yeah, Ubia Canada, what are my account?
Oh, yeah, 10 arguments. You bought it. If you catch something, we will be not at the time. Yes, I collect 2 bye bye.
That's it. Hello, my joy.
Hello, how to say?
Giant crack, idea. Now, so
yeah, so far, Diablo.
And the body is coming to you.
Just one.
Allah. Mammy, too.
Baby. And baby, but I let my phones in the boat because I 101.
You have the number now. Why?
Mati JB, who are Madame Mama Sanka number? Why?
Minimum.
Aha. JB, the pacho, Blofo, useless. The pacho, Chemasi, Chimunamentia, the pacho, Adama. Namento myself.
I dare for so pianiso.
Yes, that's a pa. Share Nipana, Obifu or Freya was say, Ubeoka useless into one champion. JB, Tafo, hospital. The last time, the first time, book of picking report you to all at the buy. na report nyinaa ne sɛ ibi lubet koraa egugu hɔ nom a yɛn nya contractor a ɔbɛhyehyɛ lubet no ama yɛ ti
Facebook sisi abɛtumi ahwɛ wɔ Facebook ni na propro
eti sɛ wo na woyɛ the authority no sɛ yɛhyehyɛ saa adeɛ no na sɛ woma saa adeɛ no nkɔɔ so na sɛ saa adeɛ no gu hɔ na sɛ ɛsɛe a na sɛ yɛfrɛ sɛ woyɛ useless man a na sɛ useless person a ɛyɛ wrong anaa nipa sɛ ghanafoɔ te aseɛ sɛ wo na wowɔ tumi sɛ woma ɛyɛ sɛ wofese saa adeɛ no na sɛ wofese na sɛ yɛka kyerɛ sɛ woyɛ useless a ade sɛ ɔma ne house sɛ obɛkɔ sɛ obɛkɔkɔ useless nti wokya sɛ obi ka useless hwɛ ka kyerɛ deɛ ɔfɛ ne sɛ deɛ sɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ no ɔmo nyɛ so ɔmo anyɛ deɛ a we always continue call them useless they are useless yɛ ma ɔmo sɛ ghana sikata o ghana sika na ɔmo sɛ no sɛde ɔmo bubu kɔpɔnɔ te ɛyi ɛtubu yɛ no yɛ ma ɔmo bu ntamu bi dɛ ɛdu yɛka sɛ ɔmo aso ate sɛ ɔmo nti bɔfo a ɔmo sɛ bɔfo no obi kasa na ɔmo kɔ ebiyie no ɔmo nhwɛ de bi ɔmo sɛ ama miini no ne nyinaa ate aseɛ ɛgya sɛ deɛ ɔte asɛ obi akasɛ useless nti na ɔso twa so sɛ de sɛ ɔkasɛ useless ebi sɛ ma ɔkasɛ useless.
mi da se ɛwɔ ɛbɛ tene so Ghana Majo Allah me say 2023 say we your first edition. Nyame ya do second edition no. E say ja. They say wo also want me sa speed we no. Don't join us.
No Mbapa na ka o say Kwame. Unim du akura so wo. Unim du akura so me.
Yes, na.
De any abre. Ya adwuma mo ma no yenye for specific party. No.
Ma menya de we. Me wo fa da. Me wo fa be be kwa koye me wo fa na wo tweda.
Memenda
we. Me so ko jame.
Me so ma me da fo ma me ketwa. Di me so me sa. Memenda mpento. Ye be kwai. Wo so me frɛ ho.
Sa. Asem mo disi no oda so to
oh say be any people like this. Okwa me jana sa ba be so biem. Be any ye kokan so shi. The person is like post. Be any
temperature no ye.
Mama kwa fo bosu me bia be si ni paso se onya DC yi. Ama bosu me fu nyina apratete.
Belochi.
E wonu apratete.
Oh. Wo so krade ani a. Me wafa openi Joseph Theophilus Mesa. Nyame ya duma on the 14th of January. That is memenda we enye kwa kuja no kra ewo Sawmill Junction. Atwema mem Sawmill Junction. Na Mr. Leonard Mensah our manager Splendor Hotel. Ono ne papa prekope ne papa nimpon ene dampa. Ti Mr. Mo. Mesu koja me why? Munkoja mi nua ke mungo miesu kokoja me bra Penny Leonard na yenkopa oruma krabio kra na bibia so ntimi nkoyie ebia me vat me pona so person de me kasa nyame yadoma next week me ya wawade bi ofie ha no mu say it will shock everybody the number is 0242 me kasa kabidi mechi dabi me pe yeah okay say to bibidro ha na my number is 0242 23 27 06.
Akuma FM.
Now so Ghana Majo Juma this so the nation's fighter is up next. Master T friend Munya friend na munya de cheche. Yeah, so that is my number. The nation's fighter up next. Ede Nyakano. Ede Babetua so Ede Amaye. Na on behalf of Bellucci, and of course he's a social media man, the man is always on point. Sana has been a backbone, and of course the Rasta man with brains, Obibine Akohene. And of course, the official DJ for the show, DJ Romeo. Allah. Kai! Akwamneba. Allah. And of course, the legendary legend himself. Na etayechi and this Jumadi way at the back. Ghana Majo Jumadi so name it at the JB. If you go before your knees and say a word of prayer, don't forget to say one for me too. That the Lord will surely. Now, if you turn up on your company, the Mucho, Omo who buy flat town for Shisha BMU. O kata oso, o for Bunukum no kata oso. No, you will free or how near Mania BMU. And my home master da. 2023
Akuma FM
den krana Yehowa oh my God and say yakramo